check it out. Okay. All right. First card we got Zubat. Nosepass. Eradicate. I got all these already. Mass Chief. I don't know if I have that one. Hondoom. Energy Recycler. I needed that one. Medicham. Nidoran. All right, we're getting close. Aracuda. Crustle. Oh, it was Crustle. Oh, god damn it. Fucking Crustle. I don't want you, motherfucker. Well, that was, I guess, what was the best one out of here? I guess the Crustle, huh? Alright. Well, I don't have that one. Probably don't have that one. I don't have that one. Yeah.